Romero Brito is a Brazilian artist whose art is inspired by both his positive and hopeful views of life, as well as his desire to see the world become a happier place. He is a self-taught artist who, despite his extremely modest upbringing, painted throughout his childhood on newspapers, cardboards, and other scraps of paper, whatever he could find. He painted what he saw in his world and also what he saw in his mind as he envisioned a more beautiful future. His artwork is known for its warmth, bright and optimistic colors and shapes, and impressions of love. He breaks up his picture and adds patterns and details to the background. We're going to start with a pumpkin in the middle and then divide our background into different sections to create different elements that might deal with fall time. So to start for your pumpkin, start with a nice big oval in the middle. Kind of branch off with a really stretched out letter C. Same thing over here, so it looks like a hot dog. We're going to do another one. Maybe this time it's a little wider. And then we can add our stem. I always do a floating oval and then curl down for the stem. But then I feel like we would still see the pumpkin behind it. So we're going to add a bump here and a bump here. This side's a little big, but all pumpkins are different. They're not all made the same. If you really want to adjust anything, you can. If you want to add a couple more bumps, you could have. I think I made that a little too big. Then for your background, we're going to break it up into different sections. However many sections you want. And then we're going to have different things that relate to the fall season in the background. Maybe here I want to have some leaves. So I'm going to start with the veins of the leaves. Do these curved lines. But since it's a pattern or showing repetition, I'm not just going to put one leaf in there. I'm going to put a few. And I even want it to look like they're going off of a page. Like I just dropped a handful of leaves there. Candy corn, you can make acorns, corn, maybe wheat or hay. Let's see, we're going to do some flowers next. So bombs are usually those really big Notice that whenever I draw some, I have them also go off of the page. Next, I decide to draw some corn to feel very fall-like. Some acorns over here, and just think of other things that you could put in your background that relate to fall. Maybe it's candy corn, maybe it's some more pumpkins, it's all up to you.